What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I was reading the comments on our Michael's Haul video, showing a few fun finds. And you all were right. This bust was called Veiled Lady. I just called it a statue, but it is called Mini Veiled Lady Bust by Ashlyn. Sorry, sometimes I get a little distracted decorating the rooms. Ooh, and it's on sale. Speaking of sales, let's run out and do a little shopping and take a quick look around my local antique mall and search for a few Barbies that we can add to our collection. Ooh, a jacket with buttons and jeans? I'm seeing lots of Holiday Barbies, which I love. Here's a 2012 Holiday Barbie for $54. It's red. We're seeing lots of detail on the dress. 2011 is looking beautiful in green and gold. This 2007 look has always been one of my favorites, but I do already own this dress. Barbie at Bloomingdale's? That looks interesting. Here's a 2006 Holiday Barbie by Bob Mackie. Here's a 2002 Holiday Barbie in a velvet dress. Loving all the fabrics. There is a lot of glitter, which I could do without, but it looks great in the box. And we're back. I picked up the special edition, the original Arizona Jean Company Barbie. The date on the box says 1995. While I was in the store, I was not comparing prices with what was online, which is what I usually do, but I was moving fast. I gotta stop doing that. On eBay, I'm seeing these dolls with a price range from $8 to $22. I paid $16 and I didn't have to pay any shipping, so I'm thinking I didn't do too bad. The doll is still in the box. Looks like it was sold at JCPenney. We can see a picture of the doll on the back of the box. Of course, I am going to open it to get a closer look. This Barbie does have that feathery hair, which I'm not a fan of. It's blonde with a curl on the ends. She has large blue eyes, wears red lipstick, a fabric baseball cap, which can fit Cher. She has earrings that were not designed to be removed. They are gold-colored hoops that dangle. She has a matching ring. She comes wearing a red jacket with a blue collar. It has a light gold or taupe-colored stripe. There's a graphic on the chest that says Arizona Jean Company. There are gold buttons going down the front that are real buttons. The jacket is finished all the way around. Underneath, she wears a short sleeve shirt that says Arizona Jean Company, has denim pants with stitch details, looks like real denim. There's an attached faux leather belt with a gold-colored buckle. Packaged separately in the box, we found plastic black boots, a backpack with ribbon straps. It has a working pocket on the front, and it can close and open with a snap. And we got a red Barbie hairbrush. I was able to get the shirt and pants on a made-to-move body. However, I could not tuck the shirt in because the pants are a little snug around the waist, and that faux leather belt is starting to disintegrate. But I like the shape of the jeans. They're like mom jeans. The jacket fits as well, and I think it's a pretty nice detailed look. However, with that rich red jacket, I'm probably not going to keep it on very long because I'm always concerned about staining. I removed the belt because it was flaking all over the place, but you can see that the top has a nice finished edge. But I think we got some pretty solid pieces to add to our collection. And because I can't pass up a good casual look, I picked up Special Edition Barbie at Bloomingdale's for $19. Online, I'm seeing prices range from $20 to $35. So at $19, I did pretty good. The copyright says 1996. A friend of mine has this outfit. I never knew where they got it. I thought it was a custom piece. So I am very happy I was able to pick it up. And I had no idea we were getting undergarments. We also get a shopping bag. It's made out of paper and has twisted handles. We can see Bloomingdale's on the sides. We get a faux Bloomingdale's card and a miniature one for the dolls. The scale looks pretty good. There's a doll stand, a pink Barbie brush, and of course, a Barbie wearing a fabric baseball cap. She doesn't have that feathery hair. It feels closer to Barbie color reveal hair. She has blonde hair, blue eyes, pink lipstick with a little shimmer. silver earrings that were not designed to be removed, a matching ring. She wears a pink jacket with white details. It has a pink ribbon stripe, and again, real buttons. Under the jacket, she has a heather gray long sleeve top with a white collar and cuffs, and a pair of matching leggings with an elastic waistband. The top opens and closes with Velcro in the back, says Bloomies in the front in pink, and she stands on her tiptoes in white sneakers. This outfit was an easy fit on a made-to-move Barbie, and I like the little detail in the back of the hat. It was a little bit of a struggle to get the hands through the jacket, but it can be done. I used a plastic bag. We also get a matching set of Bloomies undergarments. The top is a little large, it has snaps in the back, and I popped a few stitches at the waist, getting the bottoms on. And if the dolls need something else to wear, we've got a few holiday gowns. I picked up the 2011 Holiday Barbie for $34.95. On eBay, I'm seeing prices range from $25 to $100. I love that we're getting a green and gold gown. And do you see the packaging? There's an illustration on the back of the box that is totally going on the wall. Loving the backdrop in the box. Y'all know how I get excited about doll packaging. Now I had to go get a fancier backdrop to showcase this dress that totally looks red carpet ready. It has a long green skirt. The fabric kind of feels like a nice umbrella. It's lined with gold in the front, where it drapes down on the sides of a gold skirt. This is a one-shoulder dress with gold embroidery and acrylic gems. She wears open-toe, gold-colored heels. This doll has brown hair with product and curls. It feels like it might be a little waxy. She has a smoky eye with gold eyeshadow and a red lip color. She has long metallic gold earrings that are removable and red painted nails on a model muse body. So now the question is, can this dress fit a made-to-move body? It's a snug fit, but yes, it's doable. The Velcro is barely hanging on in the back, but it's in the back, so I'm not gonna worry about it. I like this vibrant green color and embroidered details, and I could see the dolls wearing this to other events besides the holidays, which is exactly what I thought when I saw this 2004 special edition Holiday Barbie. I bought this doll a while back. When I bought it, I thought we could use this dress for like a Halloween costume. Online, I'm seeing this doll with prices ranging from $24 to $44. The back of the box opens, and we can see different holiday Barbies throughout the years, in frames looking like a miniature museum. I could just imagine the dolls walking around, seeing all the looks that have come before. This doll comes with a doll stand and a satin green purse. It has a metal detail at the top and a chain and a little tiny green gem. It's open in the back and filled with some really old tissue. The doll also comes with green heels, has blonde hair with the top pulled up. She has green beads in her hair, green eyes, rooted eyelashes, dramatic eye makeup, a neutral lip color. She wears earrings and a necklace that does not look like it was designed to be easily removed. I think it's metal and it has little green gems, just like the purse. The dress is all green with a bolero jacket that comes up around the shoulders. It's open at the bottom of the sleeves and lined with velvet. It is separate from the rest of the dress, and the doll was wrapped in plastic to protect it from possible staining. Under the jacket, we have a green bodice with glitter that has an intricate design. We can see that the glitter design continued on tulle at the top that goes over the shoulders and onto clear straps that have disintegrated over time. So if we remove this dress from the doll, we might lose those straps. But the top of the dress is a separate piece from the skirt, which is a long green velvet skirt decorated with long strands of beads, which is one of the main things that caught my eye. I removed the top, and yeah, the straps are coming apart, but I'm having no problem keeping this dress up on a made-to-move body. The top was an easy fit, she has a little room, and we can bring the whole outfit back together with the jacket. I think it's a beautiful look. I am loving all the fabrics and that she comes with a purse. The details that we are seeing on these holiday Barbies needs to be celebrated. I mean, we've got velvet and beads, embroidery and gems. I definitely feel like I found a few treasures today. Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few Barbies from back in the day. Let us know what your favorite holiday Barbie is in the comments down below, or whatever else you want us to check out. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram, and the YouTube channel Create Something Fabulous for college vlogs. And we will see you next time. Bye!